Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create task labels to label your tasks in the Todoist mobile application properly. So let us begin. Alright guys, navigate to the Todoist application, for example on your Android, and navigate to the calendar overview of your tasks here below by tapping into today. Now here you'll see all tasks that are scheduled for the next dates, like tomorrow for example, or that are already overdue guys. So to create the task label, simply create a new task by tapping into that button, plus button here in the bottom right corner. Or alternatively guys, you may do also the following. You may simply tap into one of your already created tasks like this one here, and here to the right next to priority you will see labels. Tap into it, and after that search for labels. However guys, if you're completely new on Todoist, you will probably have no created labels, so you will need to create one. And creating one works the following way. Simply tap into this text field here, enter your label name, like let me go with relevant for example, and that's it. Tap into that confirmation button in the bottom right corner to save your label, and that's it. After that the label will be ready to be used, so that you may for example tap into the checkmark button to the right to add it to the given task. Confirm by tapping into done here, and there you go. Now as you can see, the label has been added to your task. You may for example tap into it and remove the label here to the right if you like. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.